families. For the next few days and even for the next week after this, we are going to be writing about all of the different continents that we took virtual field trips to. Hopefully you had a chance to go to our live MIC and your students were able to watch the videos we created as your students went on live virtual field trips to different countries around our world. While you were doing this, you had a chance to see lots of different traditions that take place on each of these different continents. For today, I'd like you to fill out this bubble map, and in the middle of your bubble map, your student will be able to put the word countries or continents, and then around the bubble map, they will be able to write all of the different places that we went on our virtual field trip. So you could put Australia and Europe, Africa, and so on. Once they've had a chance to fill out this graphic organizer, they can also include in each bubble a picture of something that they remember from that continent. So for example, if they wrote Australia, they could put a picture of a koala bear. If they wrote Europe and we talked about St. Patrick's Day, they could put a picture of that as well. Once they have filled out this bubble map, you will be able to use this later when they are writing about the favorite continent or country that they visited during your virtual field trip. We're also going to be working on some different shape poems. And this is cool because you don't have to write a poem in this. You can use this, which is the shape of the continent, and they can write some important information that they learned on those virtual field trips. So within these lines, they could write what they've learned, the different traditions, and they could also include some pictures in this as well. I'm going to include a link in this recording that has lots of different countries that you can print up that has lines, that doesn't have lines, so that your student can take information that they learned and put that within the shape of each of these countries. I'm also going to include this, which is a fun writing activity for your students to do. And this also goes along with all of the different countries that we visited during our virtual field trip. Now you can put your passport up here that has all of your information. Then you can draw the country's flag, things I liked best about that country. So lots of great details that you can add to this as well. This can take place over several days. This can take place for even 2 weeks if you want it to. Every day you can focus on a different country, and those activities can last 1 to 2 to 3 days. Hopefully your student enjoys going on all of these different virtual field trips. And then the last thing that I'm going to include is a writing of the different continents. And all your student will have to do for this is to practice writing the name of the continent. They have the name right up there, and then they use their writing lines to write each name. And then you can see they have examples here and something that they can remember each country and continent by. I hope you enjoyed all of the different virtual field trips we took you on and have fun writing about all of the different continents that we have. Happy writing!